Hello all, welcome back to Chill with Sabby. I hope you're all well. Today, I have a special unboxing of the Hot Wheels RacerVerse Jurassic Park or World Pack. This pack comes with the 4 characters, 3 of which are dinosaurs, and the characters named Owen. Each characters come with their own diecast car, complete with a miniature figure attached. So before we get into the detail, let's unbox it. So let's dive into the detail. We have here Dilophosaurus. This car comes in a dark maroon or brown color and features a green dinosaur. The detailing on the dinosaur is impressive, with the visible cross lines on the trailer. The figure and the trailer are fixed and cannot be removed from the car, and it looks really sturdy. The next one we have here, Allosaurus. This car is a green and features a blue Allosaurus. The detailing is again the top notch, making the car look sturdy and well made. We have a Charlie the Velociraptor. This car makes you feel like you have a miniature version of the real dinosaurs. The detailing is excellent and the car looks really cool. The next one we have an Owen. It's a Jeep with a Jurassic World logo on sides. Owen looks so furious, he looks exactly like an actor. These diecast cars are impressive. It gives the feeling of having a miniature versions of the real characters. In the future, it would be great to see other characters from the Jurassic World and other dinosaurs. Hopefully, Hot Wheels takes this into consideration. So let me know in the comments what you think about these diecast car. I'm really impressed with this Hot Wheels Racers car, and I'm sure you will be too. Don't forget about the giveaway on the channel. Stay tuned for more exciting content. Until next time, keep exploring, keep smiling, and happy collecting.